Today you start from E. Do you remember where the E is? E is here. C, D, E. And you move to G. And E. And G. And coming to the C. Great. Let's try one more time. E, G, E, G, F, E, D, C. Try again. E, G, E, G, F, E, D, C. Let's play 2 times. 1, 2, 3. One more time. And you play the same melody with your left hand. So put your left hand on E. This is C. D, E. E is with your middle finger. 1, 2, 3, E. And can you play G? And E. And G again. Coming to the C. Let's try again. E, G, E, G, F, E, D, C. Great. Let's try 2 times. 1, 2, 3. E, G, E, G, F, E, D, C. One more time. E, G, E, G, F, E, D, C. And you play the same melody with your both hands. Put your right hand and you start both hands with E. And G. E, G, F, E, D, C. Try again. E, G, E, G, F, E, D, C. Let's play 2 times. Both hands E. One more time. Enjoy your rainy day with this music.